Like, I run into I'm very clumsy.
Oh.
So if we can get through this without me knocking this table
It's all
over.
good. I totally get that. Hi everybody, it's me, Shira, and I have a very, very special guest today. I have been a little bit of, I feel like I'm in the midst of a serious celebrity right now. And I love when people just like, but you are, because you have a lot of followers on Instagram. You are the Josh Bennett. And you are, that's how I'm introducing you, not just Josh Bennett. We were discussing how I was going to introduce him, and he was like, I don't know, just Josh. And I was like, no, you're the Josh Bennett. Tell us about the whole Marvel, Josh Bennett, Black Panther, everything that's going on.
I am part of the Marvel Club, which is
That's pretty cool.
An amazing club to be part of, especially with this movie, Black Panther, which is now out in theaters. I mean,
it's crazy. Everything that's happening.
Humongous.
Now let's talk about these sweaters that you, well, you have one on.
I have one on.
And this is for Black Panther.
This is Black Panther, yes.
So now can you tell us a little bit about your inspiration for this?
Yes. So for me, Black Panther's inspiration came off kind of the back of Thor's inspiration, but it really was fascinating that T'Challa, Black Panther, is just a human being. Mm-hmm. He's a human being that then gets transformed into a superhuman hero. He's never bitten by a radioactive spider. He doesn't have, like superhuman strength like Captain America. He's a human. So it was really, how does he go through this transformation of human to superhuman? And that's what the three pieces I did kind of tell the story of.
My mind's just being blown a little bit right now because I really want to see the movie, but I have no idea what it's about, and you just broke it down for me the most simplistic way, and now I want to see it so bad. Okay, so tell me about the three pieces.
Okay, so the piece that I'm wearing is called the Panther Habit. He has to have this suit on to be kind of invincible.
Okay.
And when he gets hit, all the kinetic energy gets stored, and then he can use it in different parts of his body.
Totally getting that.
So
now
this
that you
is
explained
this.
That makes sense to me, and I love it.
And then this guy.
This is beautiful.
Is an ombre, and this is the vibranium ombre. It starts in this kind of vibranium gray, moves up to this herb green color into a charcoal, and the Black Panther has to eat this magical herb that grows from the ground, which is rich in vibranium. So that also gives him his strength. So this is the journey of this herb into his body, and it makes him kind of strong and powerful.
Very cool. Okay, wow. That's like so much. I feel like oh wow, this one's very soft. Okay.
And then this one is...
I love a good hoodie, by the way.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Who doesn't love a hoodie?
Until you're knitting it, and then you're like, oh my god, I still have to knit the hood. But it's worth it, it's worth it. So Black Panther has this tribe of women warriors that are really his equal. They're as strong as he is, they support each other. Without them, he is still really just a man. So this represents these women warriors. I developed this kind of like rope stitch because they're very tight.
Tied together.
Yeah, tied together.
Tight knit.
Tight knit family.
Okay, sure.
This little African leather work, inspired by a little bit of leather work. That is on their actual costume. But really the cable is all about like them intertwining together.
I picked that up, I like that. That's beautiful. So now let's talk a little bit before we go into the Thor sweaters. People can go to your website and they can, if they want, get a actual sweater from you.
Yes.
And it can be made for them? Is that how it works?
Yes, so Black Panther, Thor was so successful that we're selling them very, very quickly. And these are all limited edition and numbered and dated. So on the tag, you'll see, which number you have and the date that it was completed. But with Black Panther, I will be making them to order because they're actually going to be a little bit less numbers. There's only going to be about 5 of each style that's going to be made. With Thor, there was about 10 to 12 of each style.
Okay,
So first come, first serve.
Extreme limited edition. Let me tell you something. I'd take this straight from Josh if it were my size. Josh, thank you so much for coming by. I have not only seen your beautiful work firsthand and finally met you, but I have also learned about superheroes, which definitely is something that I can apply to my conversations with my 9 and 6-year-old nephews.
Perfect.
Now I'm cool and Shira. So I want to tell everyone where they can follow you and find you. So let's tell everybody where you are.
Great. So my website is joshbennettnyc.com.
And you can find it down here. Okay, down here.
2
okay.
N's, 2 T's. And on Instagram and Twitter, I'm at Josh Bennett NYC.
That's pretty simple. Okay, I love it. I love simplicity. Yeah. So remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, give it a thumbs up. And Josh, what should they comment below?
Ooh. Comment about what your inspirations are, how you find your inspiration for your projects, and what you love to knit, because that always fascinates me.
I'm into it. Let's see your comments. And guys, thanks again for joining us.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And come again.
Oh, I'll be here tomorrow. I say I've never made a mistake. I've only learned lessons.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
My mom says that.
Oh, really?
You and my mom. My mom.
Okay.